Brains World 23! Let's rock!
Welcome to Brains World. On this episode, we have a brand new addition to our project car collection. It's a 1961 Karmann Ghia Convertible. Also, just as a reminder, you might have a Karmann Ghia project car that you know of or that you've been working on for years and you're just tired of working on it for whatever reason. We might be interested in it. Let us know. Check out the number. Other than that, get ready to see the 1961 Karmann Ghia project we just added to our collection. This is a 1960 Karmann Ghia Convertible. Been sitting for 10 years getting worked on, and we're going to bring her back to life. Story on this car is the gentleman that did some work for somebody. What kind of work did he do?
He
Welding,
was,
probably?
yeah, he did welding and fabrication. He went out to do some work for someone and they paid him in this instead of money.
Very cool. I do that every day. I had one fall off once, so I'm a little more careful now.
I bet that was not pleasant to deal with.
No. All right, this is my 1961 Karmann Ghia Convertible that we rescued from Tennessee, and her name is Alice. Uh-oh, Alice is a little shy. We're gonna have to pull her out here. Noah, give me a hand, you go pull that. Noah's gonna give us a hand. Does he need an extra hand? He needs my help. There I go. Whoop! There she goes. All right. Let's see. This is that 1776 we talked about. Isn't she a beaut? Someone definitely put some love into this one.
People say I have a problem. I say I have a collection. like and subscribe. Kim says this channel needs to make money before I buy another Ghia. She even has a spreadsheet horse.
Brains World 23. Follow us on Facebook.